Hygiene of drinking water. Physical, chemical, and microbiological characteristics of drinking water. Examples of the effect of water hygiene on the production and health of farm animals. So the physical, chemical, and microbiological characteristics of drinking water. The physical characteristics are taste and odor. It's determined by soluble substances, such as salts, contaminants, and organic decomposition. The salts include magnesium sulfate and sodium sulfate, which is bitter, and sodium sulfite, which is sweetish. The contaminants include H2S, which has a rotten smell, and phenol and chlorine chemicals. Organic decomposition adds a musty or adult smells. For the color, if there's iron O2, it becomes yellowish. If there's CaCO3, it becomes turbid. And if there's algae, it becomes greenish. For the pH, for farm animals, you want to avoid water with a pH less than 5 or greater than 9. Alkaline water supports pathogen survival, such as Salmonella and Leptospira. And solid content, such as sand, soil, may accumulate in the rumen or intestines, and this impairs their health. Chemical characteristics include hardness, minerals, contaminants, and oxygen demand. Hardness includes total hardness. This is temporary hardness, such as CaHCO3 and magnesium HCO3 and stable hardness has CaCO3 and MgCO3. The effects of hardness is urolithiasis, digestive issues, and scale formation in the ducts. For minerals, if iron is above 0.5 mg per litre, it reduces intakes, and it affects production and the risks of biofilm growth. Other minerals such as lead, fluoride, copper, and arsenic are toxic at low concentrations. And the contaminants can be ammonium, nitrate, nitrite, and they indicate organic pollution. If nitrate is greater than 250 mg per litre, it causes methemoglobinemia in cattle and pigs. For the oxygen demand, if there's a high biological or chemical oxygen demand, it reflects organic pollution. For the microbiological characteristics of drinking water, water-borne pathogens include Salmonella, Leptospira, and Pseudomonas, as well as Brucella and Mycobacterium, and viruses such as foot and mouth disease and certain parasites. E. coli presence indicates fecal contamination. This can be seen with a coli count or a coli index. And for the effects of water hygiene on animal production and health, so for the production impacts, poor water quality leads to reduced feed intake, weight loss, and lower milk and egg yield and reproductive issues. And for health risks, waterborne pathogens cause infections, such as gastrointestinal diseases and mastitis. Contaminants like nitrates or heavy metals can lead to chronic poisonings and reduced immunity or metabolic disorders. In livestock, we can see urolithiasis, digestive disorders, and diseases tied to polluted water. And for clearing and disinfection, we can have physical cleaning of water, such as sedimentation and filtration, which removes solids, and disinfection, such as chlorine compounds, such as calcium hypochlorite. These eliminate microbes and they ensure detectable chlorine odor. You can also have pipeline maintenance. This prevents biofilm and line scale and H2O2 and organic acids.